Surah, number 67, of Quran Majeed, the Sovereignty.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Blessed is he in whose hands is all sovereignty, and he has power over all things.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He, who created death and life that he may test you, to see, which of you is best in conduct. And he is the Almighty, the All-Forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
He created 7 heavens in layers. You do not see any discordance in the creation of the All-Beneficent. Look again. Do you see any flaw?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Look again, once more. Your look will return to you humbled and weary.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
We have certainly adorned the lowest heaven with lamps, and made them the means of pelting missiles against the devils, and we have prepared for them a punishment of the blaze.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
For those who defy their Lord is the punishment of hell, and it is an evil destination.
إِذَا أُلْقُوا فِيهَا سَمِعُوا لَهَا شَهِيقًا وَهِيَ تَفُورُ.
When they are thrown in it, they hear it blaring, as it seethes.
تَكَادُ تَمَيَّزُ مِنَ الْغَيْظِ كُلَّمَا أُلْقِيَ فِيهَا فَوْجٌ سَأَلَهُمْ خَزَنَتُهَا أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ نَذِيرٌ.
Almost exploding with rage. Whenever a group is thrown in it, its keepers will ask them, "Did not any warner come to you?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will say, "Yes, a warner did come to us, but we impugned him, and said, Allah did not send down anything, you are only in great error."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
And they will say, had we listened or applied reason, we would not have been among inmates of the blaze.
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
Thus they will admit their sin. So away with the inmates of the blaze.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Indeed, for those who fear their Lord in secret there will be forgiveness and a great reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Speak secretly, or do so openly. Indeed he knows well what is in the breasts.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Would he who has created not know? And he is the all-attentive, the all-aware.
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is he who made the earth tractable for you, so walk on its flanks and eat of his provision, and towards him is the resurrection.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Are you secure that he who is in the sky will not make the earth swallow you while it quakes?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Are you secure that he who is in the sky will not unleash upon you a rain of stones? Soon you will know how my warning has been.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
Certainly those who were before them had impugned my apostles, but then how was my rebuttal?
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Have they not regarded the birds above them spreading and closing their wings? No one sustains them except the All-Beneficent. Indeed, he watches all things.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ.
Who is it that is your host who may help you, besides the All-Beneficent? The faithless only dwell in delusion.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Who is it that may provide for you if he withholds his provision? Indeed, they persist in defiance and aversion.
أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُّسْتَقِيمٍ.
Is he who walks prone on his face better guided, or he who walks upright on a straight path?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي أَنشَأَكُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ.
Say, it is he who created you, and made for you hearing, eyesight, and hearts. Little do you thank.
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي ذَرَأَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
Say, it is he who created you on the earth, and toward him you will be mustered.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
They say, when will this promise be fulfilled, if you are truthful?
قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْعِلْمُ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَإِنَّ إنما أنا نذير مبين.
Say, its knowledge is only with Allah, I am only a manifest warner.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
When they see it brought near, the countenances of the faithless will be contorted, and they will be told, this is what you were asking for.
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say, tell me, whether Allah destroys me and those who are with me, or He has mercy on us. Who will shelter the faithless from a painful punishment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the All-Beneficent, we have faith in Him, and in Him do we trust. Soon you will know who is in manifest error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, tell me, should your water sink down into the ground, who will bring you running water?